guys? I just finished my shift right now. My first shift. It's midnight right now. It's not even focusing. Come on, guys. It's not focusing. I'm in Central. I'm in my shoes right now, and I'm trying to get order 176. So yeah, guys. It's basically I did a 6-hour shift, but yeah, it wasn't that bad. And yeah, man, we're literally whoa, what the fuck is it wasn't bad today. My legs are tired, but yeah, man. Oh shit, it's this way. Golly. Yeah. So guys, we're on a little tour right now. Just touring through London, but I'm gonna take a little break, I think down there or something. Yeah. I found a nice area. Just gonna walk through. I think down there's Trafalgar Square. So guys, I had a little rest. I just sat down and ate some crisps, but yeah, right now we're at, is it even focused? Yeah, we're at Trafalgar Square again at night. Yes, guys, it's not focused. Frick. Okay, now it's focused. Yeah, so man, I don't know which way I'm going right now. Wait, I should quickly wait. Hold on. I don't even know where I'm going. I need to sit down and think. I need to think for a second. Hold on. It's either yeah, no, I'm not gonna. Come on, guys. I'm Spider-Man and that. Fuck yeah, I'm sitting up here, all the way up here, fam. We're at the top. Something just poked me, bro. Fuck. Wait, let me back up I'm literally on my ones. Everyone's here with someone, bro. I don't care though. Wait, let me show the view. Alright. So we got the tiger there, we got the cars, the lights, and yeah, it's actually a very beautiful night. I'm lucky I got 2 coats, bro. I packed in my bag. Lucky I did. And it's 23:40, so yeah. Come on, guys. I'm gonna save my battery for a bit. Gotta chill here, but yeah, I'll update you guys soon. Aye, we're outside. We're on a line back right now. We're literally going, taking a nice tour. Oh shit. Let me not die. I have to concentrate, fam. Aye. So right now, guys, yeah, we're just I'm gonna go. I don't even know. I'm just gonna drive around, and yeah, man. Guys. Hey, it's live today. Can't lie, it's active today, man. Active today, fam. Aye, we got all the bikers around here. We got like bare people here. Yeah, I saw there was way more. Where did they all go? Back home? Oh yeah, because what, is it ending soon? Oh crap. Yo, we're on like some street right now. God damn. Yes, guys. Let's go, bro. Yo, this path is mad. That was looking kind of mad, Phil. Why was we just surrounding that guy, fam? There was like one guy on his left, one guy on his right, and one guy behind him.
Bro, you never guess what happened to me. We're riding, yeah? I got grabbed by Andy on the back.
Oh, shit.
Man said pull over, I'm gonna pull back up. I was just like, what?
Back up? Man said back up, bro.
Like, you don't need to pull over, I'm gonna pull back up.
Come on, lads. We made it at Burgess Park, everyone.
Made it, still. Turn off
See?
your light now, yeah?
Oh shit, I can't.
I can't talk.
Oof. Oof. Come on. Come on. We ain't been here at night time in a minute. Huh? Oh my god. Why is there a bunch of ducks sitting like
That's why
that?
they chill at night. That's mad.
They just stand up and chill. They're all just like,
Look at that one there, look.
what the frick?
Mad, bro. Do they not get cold in that? It's mad how they
Yeah,
don't get cold.
they're like, I don't even know, bro. They're fur, bro. Like, their meat. It's different. Ugh. Flashbang. Oh shit. Quite bumpy. Let me go around here. Yo, this is looking mad, fam. It feels like when.
I can't even charge my lap, did I tell you?
Oh
Can't even
shit.
charge it. Once-
Yo, it's like we're in the middle of a desert or something. Oh yeah, we go down a little hill and go straight. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, key. What a freak.
So riding down there's a death trap about a light. Look down there.
What the fuck? Oh yeah,
I've done it before, you know, without a light.
without a light.
I had to get my iPhone charger. Not my iPhone charger.
Oh, your iPhone light. So you just hold it at the same time?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's kind of smart. That.